Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to fix suspended TikTok account. Now, in order for us to know if our TikTok is suspended, we can go ahead and basically just click the profile here. And once we open our profile, we should be able to receive here a notification saying that our account is suspended. Now, if you are not sure if it's not showing, but you're having a problem and you want to make sure that your account is not suspended, go ahead and just click this three lines here and then click settings and privacy. Here at the top, go ahead and try to search for it. Let's go ahead and look for an option here. Click the report a problem button, and then we're going to go ahead and type here suspension. All right, there you go, suspended accounts. There it is. And then once you're seeing it, you can go ahead and tap this option right here in order for us to know if our account is suspended. So it says here that it is active right now. Go ahead and basically just close this one. All right, now say for example your account has been suspended. Here's the things that you can do. You can actually submit an appeal there. So there is an option for you to click in order for you to submit an appeal. So once you click that one, you should be able to explain why you think your account is not suspended. So try to gather all the evidences that you have in order to confirm or ensure TikTok that you have not done something to violate the community guidelines. So once you have proven that you have not violated any, then you should be able to get your TikTok account back. And that, everybody, is how you're going to fix suspended TikTok account.